So we're in Clovis, California, and we just installed a cooler cartridge and balancing spool assembly, balancing cap. So 2 parts come with it. This is what turns on the water, so cold, warm, hot. And when your shower head or your tub spout is dripping, something's gone bad with this. Inside also is the cartridge, and this is what mixes the hot and the cold water. When that goes bad, you're having trouble maintaining water temperature. So between these two, it makes up the whole kit. We typically don't just replace one without the other. The reason being, if we address one issue and charge you full labor, and then a week, a month, 6 months later, this guy goes bad, you got to pay us again. So we just replace both units. So that's the old one. And then, of course, this is the model number. Actually, that's a blank sheet of paper. So it is the GP876851. It's a direct replacement. And you can see the original number was the GP76851. So that's the old number. That's the new number. Anyway, so it's all brand new in there right now. We got some water running up here. Just because we turn the water back onto the home, what we'll do is go ahead and we'll test this out first. We've got another issue we may have with leaking in the wall cavity from the plumbing or the drain. We just don't know yet. But we'll run a little bit of water, and then of course we'll get the trim back on here, test it out. Outside of that, this installation is done.